Lisbon is a beautiful city in Portugal, and getting around on the metro is a great way to see it. But if it's your first time, it can be confusing at first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a ticket and get around. It's easy and less costly than taxis. The large M sign indicates there's a metro station, so you can look out for them in the city. And there's a metro station right at the Lisbon airport, which makes it very convenient. There are 4 lines: red, yellow, blue, and green. Where they cross is a station where you can change to a different line. Going down the stairs, the name here tells you the name of the station. First, you need to buy a ticket, and you can do that at these machines. On the machine, it says bilhete, which means tickets. You press English to see the prompts in English. You can press without reloadable if you want a one-way or a day pass, or get a reloadable one if you plan to stay for many days. Then choose how many people you're buying for. Then choose the type of ticket, if you're buying just a one-way ticket or a daily ticket that is valid for 24 hours. Then you can pay, and your ticket and receipt will come out at the bottom. There's also a ticket booth where you can buy a ticket from a person. At the airport, the lines for the booth and machine can be long, so if you know how to buy a ticket on your own, you can avoid the lines and go to a machine that's vacant and purchase quickly. Here you can see the metro stops and lines on a map. The red line takes you to and from the airport. The daily ticket lets you go on and off any of the metro trains and change as often as you want within the 24 hours. And it includes buses as well. I found this to be a better deal to explore and saves you time having to buy a ticket for each trip. Even if you don't speak Portuguese, the color coding is all you have to follow and the arrows that point you to the direction to walk. So the blue line is called azul, but it's also blue on the sign. You then need to find the right train to get on. Be sure to see which color your stop is on, so you get on the right train. Where there are 2 lines at the same station, you need to follow the signs of the right color line. You pass your ticket over the scanner and the doors open for you to enter the boarding area. You have to pass your ticket again when you exit a station as well, so hold on to it if you've got a one-way ticket. At each station, the entire line and stops of your line color are shown, and you find where you're going and what the end station is, and get on the right train going in that direction. Once you're at the correct track, the sign here shows the end stop of your train and shows the present time, and below it you see how many minutes until the next train arrives. Then on the train, you also have a map that shows you all the stops for all 4 lines, so you can follow this or take a picture to guide you. When you arrive at your final destination, follow the signs that say saída, which means exit. Pass your ticket over the scanner again and exit to the street that you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Please click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. See you in the next video.